The rain had been falling for 3 days. At the end of the road, there was a house that no one approached. It was said that it breathed at night.
That evening, Elise crossed the threshold and held her breath. Inside, the air was warm. The walls vibrated, as if something was moving behind the plaster. Each step awakened a deep echo, a heartbeat. "She don't want me, my out." The words were the first to go, as if the house itself wanted to erase its own history. I saw her, or rather, I saw who I was becoming. The house was no longer outside of me. It was just a dream, a very bad dream. A very bad dream.